Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. Super stoked about this month because we all knew of 5 different options we're going to be getting in this box of 5 different color pop palettes. So, and yes, I have already opened my box just because I can't wait to film this video in order to open my box. So I couldn't wait. So anyways, if you like these videos, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel also down below because you don't want to miss out on these awesome videos and these fun videos I've been filming lately. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video, guys. So whenever you open up the box, it always looks like so. There always comes this little card, but this month they kind of switched up and it's this little pamphlet thing. And for the theme this month, it's called Eye Candy, which is super cute. And then you continue to open up the flyer and it has all that you got in the box. But I'm not going to show you guys because I don't want the surprise to be ruined. So, first thing in my box, I got this Tarteist Pro Glow highlighter in the shade Exposed. I'm excited about this. Number 1, it looks beautiful. Number 2, I only have one other liquid highlighter I tried and I really didn't like it, so I'm excited to try this. So it's a really pretty, just adds a pretty natural sheen to the skin, and it pretty well looks natural. I like that about it. And then next thing in my box, I got this high definition liquid lipstick by the brand Edesse, I believe is how you say it. And there is no shade of the name, whatever you call it, on the bottle, so I don't know what it's called. It's just a really beautiful mauve, deep mauve shade, and I have been loving these colors lately, so I'm excited about this. This thing is huge. This says it's 0.23 ounces in here. It's huge. So the next thing I got is by the Brow Gal. It's this tinted brow gel. So I'm excited for this. I got it in the shade Brown Hair 02. So that's what it looks like. And it's supposed to like create like hair, like, you know, it's supposed to look like your own hairs on your skin. So I just kind of swatched it there so you get the color. I think that's going to be pretty good for my hair. It could be a little darker just because my hair currently is black right now, but it's pretty dark. And I'm excited that I got a dark shade. My mom, she gets Boxycharm too, and she got a lighter shade. So I was like, oh no, I hope there's more shades. But yes, I got a dark shade, so I'm excited about that. So the next up in the box is this vacuum cleaner by Dr. Brandt. And this is my first Dr. Brandt product. So I know it's really expensive, and that's why I've never tried anything from Dr. Brandt. So it comes out and it's that kind of like silicone texture. And then as you rub it into your skin, there's these little blue like beads that then dissolve. So I'm excited to try that. And it smells like really clean. So I love that. Then next up, I got this Semi-Precious Petals palette, or just Semi-Precious, it's not petals. I'm so excited to get this palette. I had 2 of the other palettes that were offered this month already, so I was so worried that I was going to get a color, or non-color, a palette that I already had. So here's what the colors look like inside there. I'm going to swatch some of these because I'm excited that, I swear, ColourPop just is amazing. The colors are always so creamy and so buttery, and they swatch just beautiful. So there are the swatches on my arm. As you can see, the pigment is just beautiful. So I'm excited to play with that palette. So that is it in my box, and also I'm very excited to get a new one of these because I use it to clean my brushes. This was my last month's foaming thingy, and it's really dirty, so I'm excited to get a new one of those and I can throw that one away. And I cut it in half, that way I have two of them, and I just swipe my brush, my eyeshadow brush or blush, whatever brush you're using, swipe it on there and it cleans it off. That way you can like dip into another color and continue to use the same brush without having to like find another brush and have to go wash it. And anywho, so let me know in the comments down below, what did you guys get in your box? What were you excited to get? And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not already, because I would love to have you here and be a part of the notification squad. And don't forget that you guys are absolutely stunning. Bye. Thanks for watching.
So if you haven't subscribed already, then click the icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.